At Harley Pants fan.
At least kind of like seal it off and whatnot. I think they're discounted because the date goes, they expire maybe.
Contamination time.
We love cross contamination, dude.
Macarons still.
Keep it kosher, keep it sexy.
Yeah, I still got the sauce from the macarons. It tastes pretty good.
We need to sharpen that.
Oh, you know what I forgot to tell you to get? Fuck.
What?
Carrots. Do you have carrots? Carrots or celery?
No. I'm pretty much positive no.
I forget. That's carrots and celery are usually like the side accoutrement for buffaloing.
Wide set up by grams.
And then blue cheese,
the biggest label on
your
the
bitch ass wouldn't get
chicken,
anyway.
no
So.
antibiotics ever.
Everyone's afraid of blue cheese.
Woody.
I knew it. I knew you would say it. All right. By the way, you do want to kind of get some paper towels and dry those guys down a little
bit.
Cinny Toast Crunch.
By B, blue cheese, you meant ranch, right?
Yeah, you meant ranch. I think. No. I think you meant ranch.
No.
No?
No, I'm from
love blue
Buffalo,
cheese.
remember? Where these things were invented, right? You know?
I thought ranch was like the signature.
Cheese is superior.
The signature in the buffalo
how
sauce.
did you get the file on there?
Have you been on TikTok too long?
Grams.
What is wrong with you?
I swear you told me that it
was
one
invented
time.
in
No.
Buffalo.
Ranch was invented in Buffalo.
in the
Yeah.
world.
Dude, you're lucky. Oh my god, I could get my ass kicked if you
No
said
one
that.
else in the
That's
world ate
slanderous.
it.
When you say we watching UFC,
Ranch was not invented in Buffalo. Neither was blue cheese. Neither was any of that shit. The only thing that was invented
On a road, yes, true. Exactly, Tom. That's what's happening. That's what's happening, dude. Definitely. That's definitely what we're doing.
No lawbreakers here.
I go invented cheese.
Oh wait, I kind of see where you cut these out. Dude, I need gloves, dude.
Yeah, you do.
Down.
See me in the top left there?
You got gloves on when you're looking at me?
Right
Oh, yeah.
on the clip page
you got a
next
glove
to the
on.
Twitter
Yeah, dude.
icon.
Hey, what do I do if my hand
Think about the
is
first
itching
person who
after it
decided
got
to eat
shanked by
what came
malicious
out of
frozen shrimp?
a chicken's ass.
Think about the first person who
mean an egg?
decided to eat what came out of a chicken's
Yo, Tom.
ass. Weepington is now hosting you for 0
Imitation crab.
Is this real chicken or is this fake?
Okay.
Itching after it's shanked by a malicious person, by malicious frozen shrimp.
Imitation crab.
I've already washed it. Yay, bro.
I think I've already.
Wash it, yes.
I have like 30 pounds of shrimp for some reason. I licked it, Suzanne. Your guest is gonna get salmon Nutella if that's raw. Hald1N0_W0LF is now hosting you for 0 viewers.